Welcome back to another Tech Showdown. Today we're diving deep into three of the most impressive laptops of 2024. The HP Elite X360 1040 G11, the Lenovo ThinkPad T14s Gen 6, and the Acer Swift 14 AI. These three laptops offer a unique blend of performance, portability, and features, making them ideal for various users. But which one should you choose? Stick around until the end of the video, where we'll reveal the overall winner. And don't forget to like the video and check out the description box for purchase links. Your support enables us to continue creating content like this. The HP Elite X360 1040 G11 is a versatile and powerful 2-in-1 laptop that offers a compelling blend of performance, portability, and premium features. Its sleek design, impressive display, and robust performance make it a great choice for both business professionals and creative individuals. One of the standout features of the Elite X360 is its 360-degree hinge, which allows you to use it in various modes, including laptop, tablet, stand, and tent. This flexibility makes it perfect for giving presentations, taking notes, and enjoying multimedia content. The included stylus further enhances productivity and creativity, enabling precise input and drawing. The laptop boasts a vibrant display, offering excellent color accuracy and sufficient brightness for indoor and outdoor use. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the touchpad is responsive and accurate. The inclusion of a physical webcam shutter adds an extra layer of privacy, ensuring your security during video calls. Performance-wise, it is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, delivering ample power for demanding tasks. The efficient cooling system keeps the device running smoothly, even under heavy load. The impressive battery life allows for extended periods of work without requiring a recharge. The laptop's connectivity options are comprehensive, with multiple USB-C Thunderbolt ports, USB-A ports, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack. This ensures seamless integration with a wide variety of devices and peripherals. The optional 5G modem provides fast and reliable connectivity on the go. Its built-in security features such as fingerprint reader, IR camera, and HP's Wolf Pro Security protect your sensitive data and ensure peace of mind. The included software suite, including HP audio controls and SmartSense, allows you to fine-tune the device's performance and audio settings. Overall, it's a well-rounded and versatile 2-in-1 laptop that offers excellent performance, a premium design, and a range of useful features. It's a suitable choice for professionals who need a powerful and portable device for work and personal use. The Lenovo ThinkPad T14s Gen 6 is a lightweight, productivity-focused laptop built around Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite X1E 7800 processor. With a design that exudes understated elegance, it features Lenovo's signature black and red aesthetic, a sturdy chassis made from recycled aluminum, magnesium, and carbon fiber reinforced polymer. At just 0.67 inches thick and 2.66 pounds, it's incredibly portable while retaining a robust build, despite minor flex in the keyboard deck. The smooth hinge provides a pleasant tactile experience, though it requires two hands to open due to its stiffness. The 14-inch Full HD Plus display is sharp and practical, featuring a matte finish that reduces glare and reaches a brightness of 473 nits. While it isn't the most vibrant panel, its 100% sRGB color coverage and impressive contrast of 1670 by 1 make it well suited for work. Audio performance from the dual 2W speakers is surprisingly robust, offering ample volume and respectable clarity for both music and video calls. The 1080p webcam delivers decent results with proper lighting and includes Windows Hello support for facial recognition, paired with a fingerprint scanner for added convenience. Connectivity options are impressive for a slim laptop, including two USB 4 ports, two USB-A 5 Gbps ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, and a headphone and microphone combo jack. Wireless connectivity is future-ready with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring reliable and fast performance. The keyboard is serviceable, offering good travel but lacking the firmness and precision found in other ThinkPads, leading to occasional missed presses during fast typing. However, the inclusion of the classic track point and a smooth Mylar trackpad adds versatility for navigation. The system excels in battery life with remarkable efficiency, delivering over 23 hours in video playback tests and around 10 hours of mixed use, thanks in part to its low power display and optimized power management. Performance is a mixed bag. While responsive in ARM native applications, emulation of x86 programs limits the Snapdragon processor's potential, placing it behind Intel and AMD competitors in benchmark tests. Nonetheless, the laptop remains fluid for everyday tasks, bolstered by its 32 GB of memory. It shines in portability, battery life, and durability, making it an ideal companion for professionals seeking a reliable, efficient machine for productivity on the go. Its long-lasting performance and thoughtful design elements make it a compelling choice for lighter workloads despite its variable processing power. The Acer Swift 14AI is a compelling laptop that offers a blend of performance, efficiency, and AI capabilities. Powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra Series 2 processor, it delivers robust performance for everyday tasks and demanding workloads. One of the standout features of the Swift 14AI is its exceptional battery life. It can easily last through a full workday and even longer with lighter usage. This makes it an ideal choice for those who are frequently on the go, eliminating the need for constant charging. The laptop's display is bright and clear, ensuring easy visibility in various lighting conditions. However, the plastic bezels surrounding the display detract from the overall premium look of the device. While it may not be the most visually striking, it still offers a decent viewing experience. The webcam, on the other hand, is impressive, offering crisp and clear video quality. This is particularly beneficial for video conferencing and remote work, ensuring a professional appearance. While it delivers strong performance and long battery life, it has some areas where it could improve. The speakers are underpowered, resulting in a less than ideal audio experience. This can be a drawback for those who enjoy watching movies or listening to music on their laptop. Additionally, the plastic bezels around the display diminish the overall premium feel of the device. A more premium build quality with metal bezels would have elevated the overall aesthetic. Despite these minor shortcomings, the Acer Swift 14AI remains a solid choice for those seeking a powerful and efficient laptop with AI capabilities. Its strong performance, long battery life, and impressive webcam make it a compelling option. However, it's worth considering other laptops in the same price range that may offer a more premium build quality and better audio performance. The choice ultimately depends on personal preferences and specific priorities. If you prioritize portability, battery life, and AI capabilities, it's a great choice. However, if you're looking for a more premium build quality and better audio performance, you may want to explore other options in the market. Choosing the best laptop in 2024 among these laptops depends on your priorities. The HP Elite X360 1040 G11 shines with its 2-in-1 versatility, vibrant display, and robust security features, making it an excellent choice for business professionals needing flexibility and premium performance. The Lenovo ThinkPad T14s Gen 6 is ideal for those prioritizing portability and long battery life, although its ARM-based Snapdragon processor limits performance for x86 applications. Finally, the Acer Swift 14AI delivers solid AI-driven performance and impressive battery life, but falls short in build quality and audio compared to its competitors. Overall, the HP Elite X360 1040 G11 stands out as the winner for its blend of performance, design, and versatility, making it a top choice for professionals seeking a premium, feature-rich device. However, if portability and battery life are critical, the ThinkPad T14s is a close contender.